Hey, how's it going, parents? We're going to learn how to log into Kickboard. The first thing you want to do is type kickboardforschools.com on the web browser and hit enter. After you hit enter, you will go on this page. Click on the login, which is on the top right corner of the screen. Then go ahead and click on parent. Here, you will see an option in the bottom, in the top that says family member. If it says student, make sure you flip it back to where it says family member. In the bottom, you see an option that says need to sign up or add another student. Click on enter access code. And an access code needs to be given to you by the school. So ask for that information and then type it in there. Type your child's birthday. And then you will type the email that you need to use for yourself, where you will be getting an email for the grades of your child. Click continue. Now here it says a verification code has been sent to your email. So make sure you type an email that you have access to. Here's what the email may look like. Click on your email and you will see your verification code. Go ahead and copy that code and paste it where it says enter verification code. Then create your own password. Make sure it's a password that you can remember. Type that password a second time and click login. After you've logged in, you are now officially in Kickboard, ready to see your students' grades and any comments that your teachers have made. You can see the grades right here in this section. If you ever need to log back in, you can always type kickboardforschools.com, hit enter, and then click on login on the top right corner. Click on parent and make sure it says family member again. Only this time you're going to just type your email and the password that you created, and you're back in, ready to see your grades. I hope this tutorial has been helpful for you. You've been Monsified.